Every once in a while, a story surfaces that reminds us why we really appreciate certain cars more than others, not just for their performance or style, but for how they protect us when things go unexpectedly wrong. This week, a post from the Mustang Mach-E owners Facebook group caught my attention, and it's one of those stories that I want to tell you. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Michael Sasser, who owns a Ford Mustang Mach-E, shared his story in a very concise message and Michael says, well, it was fun while my Ford Mustang Mach-E lasted. Great safety in these vehicles, I will say. My car was hit at an intersection from someone running the light. Michael also showed the picture which you see on the thumbnail of this video. Michael's concise message speaks volumes, friends. In a moment of unchecked chaos, his Ford Mustang Mach-E electric vehicle took the hit and he walked away safe and sound, thank God, to tell this tale to us. So the aftermath, a testament to Mustang Mach-E's safety. Following his initial post, Michael provided more details, but before I say that, click in the link in the description of this video and visit Torque News coverage where you can see more messages and the vehicle that hit him. First thing she said when she got out was, I'm sorry, you have such a nice car. The person who hit Michael said that. That was the first thing she said, I'm sorry, you have such a nice car. That's nice. It's a surprising, pleasant reaction amidst the stress of an accident, highlighting the emotional connection people have with well-designed vehicles. When asked if the car was totaled, Michael responded saying, apparently if airbags go off in an electric vehicles, it's totaled. But yeah, pretty much guaranteed total. Did you know that apparently if the airbags go out in electric vehicles, they're totaled? I didn't think so. But anyway, that's interesting. So this brings up an important point about electric vehicles. The cost of repairs post-accident can be significantly higher than traditional vehicles, often leading to a total loss declaration, even if the damage seems repairable. But on the other hand, you get many other benefits getting an electric vehicle. So the community supported and provided some insight. They rallied around Michael, offering support and sharing their own experiences. For example, Alessandra Vale commented saying, I'm sorry about your car and I hope you are well, but this car is amazing. Alexandra wrote, writing about the safety and reliability of a Ford Mustang Mach-E. In fact, I have test driven it for several times and really felt that it was a great vehicle. Michael affirmed what he was okay and echoed the sentiment about the Mach-E's quality and saying it was really a safe vehicle. Gerald, another forum member, wrote the following, said, mine was totaled, referring to his Ford Mustang Mach-E. Totaled and I've upgraded it to GT. I found that when Ford built the Mach-E, they used the thickness sheet metal and thickest actually sheet metal. One of the strongest sheet metals used is called boron steel and it's the same that's used in other Volvos. Did you know that? I did not. This insight into the Ford Mustang Mach-E's construction underscores its safety credentials, friends. Boron steel is known for its high strength to weight ratio, providing enhanced protection without adding unnecessary weight. So we need to know about these things, friends, in order to decide which cars are safe for our families. So when asked if he would get another Mach-E, Michael replied saying this, I had the Mach-E 4X Premium. I might go back or get the next model up. I don't know yet. All depends on insurance. So I think it's a very honest reply. It depends on the insurance because now the insurance price may go up, but it shouldn't. So this uncertainty is understandable. Insurance settlements can be unpredictable, and the decision to repurchase the same model or upgrade depends on various factors, including financial considerations and personal preferences. One other group member asked if Michael got the picture of the other car which hit him. Michael responded with an image of what appears to be a red Subaru and wrote that her front end was smashed to pieces, but the officer said it probably wasn't totaled. I have the image of that what appears to be a red Subaru in the article I wrote about this story, and the link is in the description of this video, so check it out, friends. So the broader context, EV safety and repair costs. Michael's experience highlights a broader issue in the electric vehicle market, the high cost of repairs and the tendency for insurance companies to total vehicles even after seemingly minor accident. This is partly due to the expensive battery systems and the specialized labor required for repairs, which makes sense. Michael's story is a testament to the Ford Mustang Mach-E's safety and the strong community that surrounds it. While the accident was an unexpected and sad event, the outcome could have been much worse without the vehicle's robust safety features. So great job, Ford, on the Mustang Mach-E's safety. Friends, I would like to hear your opinion now. Have you or someone you know experienced an accident in an electric vehicle? Hopefully they're all okay. What was the electric vehicle and what was the outcome in terms of safety and damage, and of course first the person? How did the vehicle perform in terms of safety and post-accident support? Please share your thoughts in the description of this, actually in the comments of this video. I think it will be very interesting for all of us to know. God bless you everyone. See you soon in our next report.